Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. In this one we're covering E Bookings from the monthly bookings reports from NHS Digital. So let's see what we have for this dataset. These are the tables in there so far, and notice the discontinued column. That tells you which tables are still getting data. Any with a 1, they're no longer getting data. Anyway, data is going back to 2018. There's 30.4 million rows of data, so it's very, very detailed. I'll just query the ones that are still getting new data added for this video. We've got Commissioner Monthly, so you can see that's by Commissioner, and those are the measures. GP Practices Monthly, and those are the measures there. Provider Monthly, measures. And then finally Provider Specialty Monthly, which is by these specialties, which I'll just page down so you can see those ones. That's the first page, second page, and the remainder at the bottom here. Thanks.